What if AI isn't failing in your MSC because the tool is bad, but because your operations aren't ready for it? Steve here, operational strategist at Advanced Global MSP Coaching and part of a team that lives and breathes Autotask operations. Today, I want to walk you through the second biggest reason AI fails inside MSPs and why it has nothing to do with the software. If you're an MSP owner looking at AI tools right now, this is the part most vendors won't tell you. You already know the first issue. Most MSPs don't have sufficient knowledge base for AI to search. But even if you fix that, there's another layer. AI can't operate inside chaos. And most MSPs, if you're being honest, are running some level of controlled chaos. Here's what that looks like. Different technicians handle the same issue differently. Ticket categories mean different things depending on who touched them. Statuses get used inconsistently. Escalations depend more on personality than documented policy. AI relies on patterns. If half your team marks server patch failures as maintenance and the other half marks them as alerts, AI can't detect reliable trends. It's not that AI is dumb, which quite frankly it is, it's that your inputs aren't standardized. If this sounds familiar inside your MSP, hit like so other Autotask users see this. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth. AI does not fix broken processes, it exposes them. When MSP owners deploy AI, they expect automations to clean up the workflows. Instead, AI highlights incomplete tickets, missing documentation, unclear escalation paths, outdated asset data, and inconsistent SLA tracking. The owner says, see, AI doesn't work, but AI is functioning exactly as designed. It's your operational foundation that isn't structured enough for automation. The second reason AI fails MSPs, and it gets deeper. Even MSPs that have SOPs run into another problem. They aren't enforced. Having procedures documented is not the same as having procedures followed. Ticket intake has to follow the same flow each and every time. Escalation must use defined paths. Monitoring alerts must be categorized correctly. Onboarding checklists must be completed and logged. Change management must be documented properly. If technicians bypass SOP when things get busy, AI ends up training on exceptions instead of the rules. Automation only works if an environment where human behavior is predictable. And most MSPs are still using technician driven methodology. Drop a comment if you've ever looked at your Autotest data and thought, we probably aren't consistent enough for automation just yet. Let me simplify this. Most MSPs fail into one of three stages: technician driven operation, where processes live in people's heads. AI cannot function there. Documented but inconsistently followed. AI can be introduced, but output will be very unreliable. And then the third stage, mature and enforced operational procedures. This is where AI starts creating leverage. Predictive alerting, automated triage, intelligent ticket routing, or as close as artificial intelligence can get, root cause analysis, accurate summations. At that level, AI becomes a force multiplier. Below that level, it becomes a frustration multiplier. Another silent killer here is data hygiene. Devices mislabeled, documentation outdated, contracts not aligned with the services that are being delivered, patching statuses inaccurate. When the underlying data is wrong, AI produces recommendations that look incompetent. But again, it's the same old story: garbage in, garbage out. AI's value is tethered to data quality and process discipline. If you want more practical breakdowns on how to prepare your MSP for AI the right way, make sure you subscribe. In this channel, we focus on operational maturity first, automation second. The takeaway is simple. The number 2 reason AI fails MSPs is not technical, it's operational. AI demands standardization, documentation, enforcement, clean data, and process maturity. Without that foundation, AI struggles. With that foundation, it becomes one of the most powerful tools you can deploy inside your MSP. If you're running Autotask and you're serious about layering AI on top of it, the first step isn't buying more tools, it's tightening up your operations. And if you need help cleaning up the Autotask workflows, enforcing SOPs, or getting your operational foundation ready for automation, that's exactly what we do here at Advanced Global MSP Coaching. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and drop your Autotask or AI question below. And if you want help tuning your operation disciplines into a real leverage inside your MSP, check out agmspcoaching.com. Other than that, have an awesome day.